Have you ever wondered how your online transactions remain secure? Well, every time you make a purchase online or send sensitive data, there's a whole lot happening behind the scenes to keep your information safe. This is where the magic of secure online transactions comes into play. Imagine you're sending a locked box via a courier. You don't want anyone else to access what's inside the box, right? So you lock it with a key and send it off. The person at the other end needs the exact key to unlock the box and see its contents. This is similar to how online transactions work. But how do we ensure this security online? Enter the world of asymmetric encryption. A fancy term, yes, but it's the technology that safeguards your online transactions. It's like a digital version of that locked box, ensuring only the right person can open it and see what's inside. Asymmetric encryption, a term that might sound complex but is the unsung hero of our online transactions. Imagine a scenario where you want to send a secret message to your friend. You could pass it along in a locked box. The box, visible to everyone, is like your public key. Anyone can put a message in it. But here's the catch. The box has a special lock. It can be locked by anyone using the public key, but can only be unlocked by a unique private key that only your friend has. So you place your secret message in the box and lock it with the public key. Your friend, the holder of the private key, is the only one who can open it and read your message. This is a simple analogy for how asymmetric encryption works. It uses a pair of keys, one public, one private, to encrypt and decrypt data. In the world of encryption, your secret message is your online transaction, and the box is the asymmetric encryption safeguarding it. So, now that we've understood how asymmetric encryption works, what makes it so important? Asymmetric encryption, also known as public key encryption, is the backbone of internet security. It's a system that uses two keys, a public key to encrypt data, and a private key to decrypt it. This two-key system is what makes it so robust. Even if someone intercepts the encrypted data, they won't be able to read it without the private key. One of the most significant benefits of asymmetric encryption is the ability to conduct secure online transactions. When you're buying that trendy new gadget or paying bills online, it's asymmetric encryption that protects your credit card details from prying eyes. But it doesn't stop there. Asymmetric encryption also enables digital signatures, adding another layer of security by verifying the authenticity of the sender. Furthermore, it creates secure communication channels, ensuring that your confidential chats remain just that, confidential. So next time you're shopping online, or transferring sensitive information, remember it's the power of asymmetric encryption that keeps your information safe. Before we wrap up, don't forget to show your support for our channel. If you found this video informative and useful, give us a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. If you're someone who's passionate about understanding the world of online security and encryption, consider subscribing to our channel. We constantly update it with educational content to help you stay informed and safe in the digital world. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future videos, hit that bell icon and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos on encryption, online safety, and more. Until then, keep learning and stay safe.